Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the second DualSense ready and putting your console into pairing mode. First, make sure the controller has some charge or connect it by USB-C. Low battery can interrupt setup. Power on the Ps5 and be signed into any user because the console links controllers to profiles. Then, press and hold the PS button. If pairing via reset, hold Create plus PS until the light blinks rapidly. Once done, the console should detect a new wireless controller to pair. Next, you'll pair through the Ps5 menu to finalize the connection. Go to Settings, then Accessories, General, and Bluetooth Accessories. This lists nearby controllers. When the new DualSense appears, select it so the console initiates pairing. The blinking light should stabilize. Make sure to assign the controller to the account you want. This links input and save data. If the controller doesn't show, try reconnecting the USB cable briefly and repeat the scan. Patience here prevents repeated reboots and lost progress. Finish by confirming full functionality and saving the pairing. Test buttons, sticks, triggers, and haptic feedback in the accessories menu so you know everything responds. This verifies a stable Bluetooth link. If pairing fails, reset the DualSense using a small tool in the reset hole for 5 seconds, then try USB or wireless pairing again. If problems persist, reboot the PS5, update system software, and repeat. Most issues are resolved by a reset or a firmware update rather than
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.